Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to link your Ticketmaster on Lysted. Hey everyone, so let us now discuss how to link your Ticketmaster on your Lysted. So first you want to create of course your Lysted account. So if you already have that and you want to add or link your Ticketmaster account. So you want to go to your settings on your Lysted. So after you've logged in, you want to go to the settings and then go to Logins tab and click Add Account. Select Ticketmaster and then input your Ticketmaster email and password to link the account. So this allows Lysted to securely access your listings and ticket details for automated listing and fulfillment. Next is set up your email forwarding. So email forwarding is crucial because Lysted's automation relies on purchase confirmation emails from Ticketmaster. So after that is automated account sweep. So with email forwarding in place and your login added, so Lysted sync automation will detect Ticketmaster's purchase emails, automatically import your ticket inventory into Lysted, and then fetch barcodes, number, and other necessary details. So note it can take up to 30 minutes for account sweeps to process and populate the inventory. Next is you want to confirm listings and pricing. So once imported, you review your tickets on Lysted's dashboard and then use Lysted pricing tool to get market-based suggestions, or you can use your own price manually. And then publish listing and then fulfillment and delivery. So when tickets sell, Lysted system and handles fulfillment. So you wanna get monitor and get paid. So Lysted provides updates on fulfillment status and will process your payment typically via PayPal's Hyper Wallet. So new sellers are to be paid 10 days after the event, and established sellers may have a faster payment method for that. And that is all on how to link your Ticketmaster to your Lysted.